Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another day of my motovlog. Today is the 22nd of October. Right now, this video that you see is I recorded after I sent my wife to work lah. So I don't know, today's motovlog is going to be a very different one. Every time I say different, but it's actually the same, but today one is very different. Okay, so guys, so right now what you're watching will be the last onboard motovlog that you will see. Yeah, this will be the last motovlog of my channel. Yeah, after things goes by, after many consideration and after many plannings, I've decided to give up riding. Yeah, I've give up riding. I'll still go and take my class 2 license lah, but not anytime soon. It will be at least 2 years later. So this is also the last ride with the sniper. My bike has already have a buyer. Yeah, see when he free. By this week I'm selling off already at a very good price. Yeah, cut my losses. That's about it. Almost take back a few $100. That's about it. Lost a few thousand. So I believe Singapore will be like one motovlogger down already lah. It's just one more motovlogger down. Yeah, you guys can check out some others motovlogger in Singapore. There are quite a few of them. Just recently start. I hope like maybe some of them watch my video. There is still some of my viewers that watch my video that they want to start up their own motovlog channel. You guys should check them out. You can just type Singapore motovlogger and you can see many other motovloggers in Singapore. Yeah, it's quite it's a bit sad lah. After riding for so many years, 8 or 9 years, yeah, finally gonna stop riding. I'm sorry guys, if this sounds very boring to you, I'm really sorry, but right now this is what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so because after having family and all that, there's many consideration. The bike is no longer fully utilized. I only use it during Monday to Friday, go to work and send my wife. That's about it. Saturday, Sunday, I'll just leave it there. Yeah, and doesn't make any more sense lah if I just keep going. So I've decided to move on to driving. Yeah, driving, a whole new chapter in my life. Currently, right now, I'm 29 years old. I have not driven for the past 29 years of my life. From young, since young, I like some cars. That's about it. I play Need for Speed, but I have never ever really think of myself driving a car or riding a bike. In fact, in the starting lah, it's because of my friend. He started riding bike, then I got into bike. I ride bike for so many years, and that's about it. So more to come on my channel. I believe some of you might notice that I have said that I'm going to rebrand my channel. The channel will be rebranded. I believe many of you have noticed that the channel name has been changed. It will still be changing again until I have finalized on the branding or the channel name I'm going to go for. Yeah, because there will be big changes, very big changes, and the name wouldn't suit the changes anymore. So I will need to think of a new thing. For new viewers, right now, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Although this might not be a channel about motovlog anymore. I will still do a vlog. For in the future of my channel, I'm going to move it on to more of my personal life, and it will just be a vlog. Hopefully I'm still intact with the automobile industry or lifestyle. I'll still do my best. I'll still keep it frequent, keep you guys posted what's gonna happen next. Yeah, because many big things is coming my way or coming to your way if you are watching my channel. Like or dislike if you don't like this video. Seriously, at least I know what you guys think. Just leave it down in the comment section below. I will not say so much about the future, but actually I do plan out. I have already planned out. I laid out the plans already. How is it? Which direction it is heading to? I hope that it will be helpful for everybody. Yeah, because after all, this is one of the expensive cities that we live in or country. But rest assured, there will still be contents coming in. Not to worry, I'll keep you guys notified. And you guys can just follow my Instagram. I will just leave it down in the description below. You can just follow my Instagram and all that, because my Instagram will be the fastest way that you will know what's gonna happen. Okay, so today is an exciting day for me. I will not say so much. That's all for my pre-recorded motovlog, and it's my last. It will be very memorable for this motovlog today. Yeah, so I have officially declared that the motovlog channel will, I will not make a new channel, but the motovlogging will stop today. Thank you guys for watching for all this while. It has been many years that I motovlog, but although I don't post that frequently, but then you guys are still talking to me lah. Some of you are still WhatsApping, Instagram DM me, which I love it. The community is very healthy and very good. Yeah, and I'm glad that I help you guys, new riders or older riders, or we can share things around. Yeah. Okay, just don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.